Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to check for system update on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, and here you have this kind of button, system update. So you just tap on it. Of course you'll need internet connection to perform this check. Give me a second. Okay, so once again you just tap here and it makes like automatic check for update. You can download it and install now, or just do it anytime later when it's more comfortable, when it's more fitting to you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.